Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to restore Gmail notifications on an Android device. The first step, please long press Gmail application on your device. And then here you can select the app info option. After that, in the notification section, make sure that everything is active like this. Okay, if the notification position in your Gmail application is like this, and then you can activate it. Okay, and then the Gmail notification on your device will be recovered. Well, that's the tutorial on how to restore Gmail notifications on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.